Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and welcome to your morning update. I'm Raihana Veli Khabibah from Accounting 3, bringing you the latest headlines to start your day informed and aware. We begin this morning with new education-related policy from West Java that's getting a lot of attention and reaction from students and parents alike. The governor of West Java, Dedi Mulyadi, has made headlines with his latest policy. Starting this May, students without a driver license are no longer allowed to ride motorcycle to school. The policy encourages students to walk or cycle, especially those living within a 2-kilometer radius from their schools. Governor Dedi stated that the aim is to improve road safety and promote a healthy lifestyle among young people. However, the policy has sparked mixed reaction. Some students have complained about fatigue from walking, and one student complained even went viral on social media. Responding to the criticism, Governor Dedi clarified that the rule is flexible. Students who live far from school may still use public transportation. The policy has also received support from road safety experts, who believe this is a necessary step to reduce traffic accidents involving underage drivers.
Kang Dedi, mematuhi peraturan, tidak bawa motor, tidak bawa motor. Kita taat sekali peraturan ya.
That wraps up your top story this morning. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the day. And as always, thank you for starting your morning with us. I'm Raihana Veli Khabibah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.